Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion para sa ngayong January 6. And for today, we are going to talk about something that we've most likely thought about since we were children. No? Kung meron nga ba tayong guardian angels? Meron nga bang mga anghel na nagbabantay sa atin upang pangalagaan tayo? Makikita po natin ito sa Hebrews chapter 1 verse 14 na nagsasabing, "Are not all angels ministering spirits sent to serve those who will inherit salvation?" Sa Tagalog, ano ang mga anghel kung ganoon? Sila yung mga espiritong naglilingkod sa Diyos at mga isinugo upang tumulong sa magkakamit ng kaligtasan. So, believers do not have guardian angels. It means that all angels are not necessarily bound to labels such as guardian angels. Angels, all of them, have this task of ensuring our safety and to serve those that will receive salvation from God. Those are the believers. Us. And we should think that believers are higher than angels because believers will be saved. Therefore, we are not necessarily being guarded by angels, but we are being ministered by them. We are being guided by them to ensure that we will be served to our utmost. Therefore, we should treat angels as servants of God. Yung mga anghel po na pumapalibot at umaalibot sa atin ay mga sumusunod sa utos ng Panginoon. Sila po yung mga workers of God. So, do not fear fallen angels or demons. Because we are not going to be abandoned by God. And there are plentiful of angels willing to ensure our safety. So pray to God often and directly for the angels to minister us and for the fallen angels or demons to not harm us. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let's all give glory to God.